Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. In this video, we will learn about error seeding in software engineering with a clear explanation. Okay, first one is introduction. Error seeding is a software testing technique where we intentionally add some known errors into the software. Okay, so the purpose is to measure how effective the testing is and to estimate how many real defects might still be left in the system. Okay, why error seeding is used? First is to check the efficiency of testers. Okay, then to estimate the total numbers of defects, then to know if the software is ready for release. Okay, then to decide if more testing is needed. Okay, then how error seeding works. Okay, first we deliberately add a few known errors into the system. Okay, then testers continue normal testing. After testing, we check how many of the seeded errors were found and how many real errors were found. Okay, then using this information, we can estimate how many real errors may still be hidden in the software. Okay, formula of error seeding. Okay, see, the formula is where see where n is the total estimated defects in the system. Okay, n is the number of actual defects found and s is the number of seeded defects inserted. Okay, and m is the number of seeded defects detected. Okay, then we can see example. See, suppose 100 seeded defects are added into the system. Okay, tested found 60 seeded defects and also found 120 real defects. Okay, then now apply the formula. That means n equals 120 multiplied by 100 divided by 60. So n is 200. This means there are 200 real defects in total. Okay, since 120 defects have already been found, it means 80 real defects are still remaining in the system. Okay, so the advantages of error seeding. First is it measures the effectiveness of testing, helps in estimating the remaining defects, and last is gives confidence about software readiness. Okay, then limitations of error seeding. See, the seeded errors may not represent real world defects. Okay, if testers know about seeded errors, the results can be biased. Okay, inserting errors requires extra effort. Okay, so the conclusion is error seeding is a useful technique to measure the quality of testing and to estimate undetected errors. Okay, but it should be applied carefully because because seeded errors are not always the same as real ones. Okay, that's all about error seeding in software engineering. Okay, thank you.